Three-ply disposable face masks were once only used by doctors and healthcare providers. Now they're required by manufacturers, state and local governments, and an entire alphabet soup of federal agencies. Premium-PPE is one of the few companies that make three-ply masks in America. Now that factory workers are required to wear these masks at all times, it's important to have them on hand. As Brent Dillie, commercial director of Premium-PPE, says, if factories don't have them on hand, it could shut down operations. When the pandemic hit, manufacturers and distributors were making panic buys, direct from Asia or through fly-by-night importers in the US. In many cases, companies shelled out a 100% down payment and never received a product, or it was delayed or poor quality. Premium-PPE is not only making American masks, but the company offers peace of mind with supply chain security. The company makes masks at its facilities in Virginia Beach, Virginia. The company keeps about 1 million in stock and still ships them same day. The company is made up of mostly local hires, machine operators who work on 3-stage machines that join the 3 fibrous layers, cut the masks, and then add the ear loops. According to Dillie, the root of the nation's PPE problem started years ago, when mask and other safety equipment manufacturing was driven overseas. Dillie says that, quote, COVID was the point that all of the offshoring came back to really bite us as a country. He says we need US mask makers so we can ramp up production immediately in an emergency. While some workers think mask policies are overkill, Dillie stresses that mandatory mask policies should be in effect until the US has a full handle on the current virus. Masks help keep you safe, but they also dramatically reduce the amount of airborne particulate. Aside from the patriotic aspect of buying American, it comes down to business continuity and cost-benefit decisions. Businesses and our government have made these masks a requirement for operating. Businesses who can't secure the product are literally shutting down production. According to Dillie, the risk of relying on importing masks, primarily from China, is just too great. He asks, can you risk your business continuity and workforce on US-China relations, an outbreak in China that causes their government to ban exports, or difficulties in international shipping, customs, and importation? Finally, when shopping around, here's what you should look for to make sure your doors stay open. You want to shoot for a bacterial filtration efficiency of 95% or above. When suppliers go cheap on materials, mask efficacy plummets. And you want to make sure ear loops are ultrasonically welded, not sewn. This will prevent ear loops from falling off. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.